All right, everybody, what is going on? Glenn Tupper coming back at you with a brand new video. It is Paramotor Alone, episode 2. And this time it's a little bit different. I am in Western North Carolina at a place called Shiflet Field 9 Alpha 9. I just rolled up here. I'm currently sitting in my car right now because right after I showed up, it started pouring down rain. So here's the deal. Here is what my plan is. All right, we're still doing the alone survival kind of thing, except I am not flying anywhere with my paramotor to do it. I have everything in the back I'm gonna set up, and there's a river right over here. I'm gonna go down to the river and possibly try to do some fishing. But it's still camping, still survival, but we have a mission this time. There is a big mission at hand with the paramotor, and that's gonna happen tomorrow morning. I am going to attempt to fly the Linville Gorge. All right, it's not very far away from here. So I'm at this airfield, and I just showed up and I ran into the owner of the airfield. It is a private airfield, public use. So the guy was nice enough, he gave me his card. Have wings and wheels, will travel. Mary Ellen and Billy Allen Tyndall. So if you're ever at Shiflet Field in Western North Carolina, Marion, North Carolina, look these guys up. They do not care if you fly your paramotor out of this airfield. Super nice people. They told me I can just come to this certain spot and camp out, no big deal. And tomorrow morning, I hope they live right over here, so I hope I don't wake them up, but I'm sure they're used to engines and stuff all the time. There's a lot of hangars. Looks like a lot of people use this field. It's a grass strip, nice big open area. So that is the mission, to fly Linville Gorge, and I hope it's gonna be nice weather. Right now, the weather is absolutely terrible. Literally, right after I got done talking to Billy, he told me the gate code, and it started pouring rain. So I ran to my car, punched in the code, got in here, and I'm gonna sit here and hopefully set up very soon. But anyways, Paramotor Alone, episode 2. If you haven't already, do me a big favor. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified every time I punch out a new video. All right, we'll see you in a little bit with all the action.
Josh decided to join me at the last minute. I was happy to have a friend join me on this amazing adventure. We camped and cooked the old-fashioned way, chicken on a stick, and boy did it taste so good.
Whoa! Beautiful! Woo! Hey, geese! Alright, we're gonna come down this river and then go left up the lake, okay? Alright, we just took off from Shiflet Field in Marion, North Carolina. We're headed over to the entrance to Linville Gorge. There's a train track bridge right here. That's over the lake. Oh yeah, here comes the lake. We wouldn't be able to fly under this, but there's some power lines on the other side. Alright, so now we're at Lake James, and we're gonna head northeast to try and find the entrance to the Linville Gorge. Look, there's some ripples on the water. A little bit of wind. Hey, it looks pretty dark up in that way, dude, by the gorge. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, we will, but we gotta fly this way for a while. Yeah, I just put it up on the map. Yeah, I think it's like 8 miles this way. We're gonna wake all these people up in this trailer park down here. That's a campground, bro. Looks like trailers to me. Nice campground though. We're just jumping over this ridge. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Watch this, Josh. There's the gorge. 11 o'clock. Yeah, go straight. To your left. To your left. Stop, stop, stop. Left. Hold it. Getting out pretty bad. Okay. I think we should go straight for that gorge from here. Yeah, I agree. Wow, dude. It looks like it's raining over there a little bit, man. Yeah, right there. Yeah, but it's not moving, so let's just maintain our distance from it. But you're right, it is raining. This might be a perfect day for this shit. I'm taking video of you right now. Okay, I'm switching back to pictures. Switching back to guns. Switching to missiles. Woo! Switching to the cannon. Wow, dude. Okay, stay right there. Wow. I see that fog. You can tell it's not moving very fast in that gorge. So that's a good thing. I do see the rain. There's some rain on the other side of that ridge. Yeah. All right, so we just have to be kind of careful with the wind here, feel it out before we go in there. I don't know which way the wind's going inside there. It may just open at this mouth and be kind of turbulent. It's from the west. Definitely fighting a headwind going in here. There's a little bit of a headwind coming in here. Okay. Yeah, there's a couple fields right there. I want to go see this rock face, dude. Bro! What? This is amazing. Is that pretty good? Yeah, that's great. Now I'm getting some video of you. Amazing, amazing. There may be some people camping up there on top. See them. Coming around this corner, I feel like it gets a little bumpy. But let's see, let's keep going this way. Get some lift right here. Woo! So bumpy right here. Oh yeah. Oh, hey, and we got that storm up there, you know, it's gonna make it bumpy. Yeah, I don't want to go up that way anymore. Whoa! I'm feeling some bugs. Feel some gusts of wind. It's getting stronger. The higher you are, the stronger it is. Yeah, definitely. Oh shit. Whoa! I can't hear you. I'm getting bumped around. Oh shit. Not good. I think I'm done in there, dude. I'm done. Yeah. Let's go back over towards the lake. Alright. It's getting kind of rowdy in there. Oh. Oh. Oh shit. Don't like that. Get the rotor. Gorge. They storm up. Well, not when I get. Oh shit! I'm getting rotor. Not good. If only we could get back to the lake. Gotta run away from that storm. Oh no! Come on, baby. Oh shit! I just had a little collapse. Getting some rotor. Come on, baby. Don't do this to me. Oh my goodness, dude. Wow. This layer of fog right here. Ah, it's right in front of you to the left. What? I went straight to your left and in front of you. Yeah.
Sometimes it's hard to find an anchor through the waves. Let down when darkness fell, light find you. Return to me.
Trying to land right beside you, bro. I'm ready to go again.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Bro, that's you right there. You see that storm?